Okay, so this is how you access the Astronomy Final Exam. So go to your team, in Team, so for mine it's 6th period Astronomy. Click on your final exam. So there's a PDF here, and Mr. Clapp would like to say that this is the entire test. So look over this, basically take the test yourself. You can take it with friends, you could ask people, you could take notes, you could study, because this is basically what you're going to see on your exam. So these are all of the questions, and you can answer them, you can study them to get ready for your exam. Then you close out of that, and you will go to this link right here, which is your School City login. Okay, so mine's already logged in, but it'll have a login page where you log in with what you would log into a school computer, so your student ID number and then your password. Then it'll take you to this website. So you'll click here on Take Assessments. And for me, I have 2, but you might have 1. And you'll click on the Astronomy Fall Final for Clapp. And then that's how you bring it up.